Hey guys, it's Shane again with IVB Media. Today I wanted to show you how easy it is to install your hard drive in your new CRU or ToughTech enclosure. I just have a little 2.5 inch HDST drive. I believe this is 500 gigs. I ripped it out of an old non-CRU enclosure that crapped out on me. So I figured I'd get some good use out of this, and I had this just waiting. This is my ToughTech M3. It's actually a secure encrypted hard drive. It's hardware encrypted. We went over this in the last video, but I'll show you real quick. It's USB 3.0, AES 256-bit encryption. It's also got the write protect feature, so you can block anyone from erasing or adding to the data you have on the drive if you feel like locking it up. It's a great little drive. But today I just wanted to show you how to install the hard drive. Very simple to do. Let's get started. So once you open the box, you'll see a little CRU quick start guide. It's very simple stuff. It's not rocket science. There's 5 steps in total, and very easy to follow. They drew it out in crayon for you. Sometimes we require this. Very simple to do. I'll probably speed up the video at some point so you're not bored of me screwing and unscrewing crap. But this will be a real quick video, and then the next one we'll put it to use, and I'll show you some workflow scenarios. Why encrypted is the way to go. Specifically why hardware encrypted is the way to go. Okay, so the first step will be to take off the plate. This will give you access to the inside of the enclosure, and we can mount the hard drive. Make sure you take off the plate from the side that has the USB port, not the other way around. I thought, I don't need instructions, I don't need to follow the directions, and I took this off and I said, why the heck are they making it so hard? And then I realized I did it wrong, and I do need the instructions, and I am stupid. So take 2, you're not going to see that video, but take 2. We're going to just unscrew this front plate and slide out the guts. Very simple to do. Okay, step 3, again another really simple step, is to grab a hold of this little, whatever that is, little tray, and slide it out. I had a little problem with that, so I realized I can push from this side, push it right out, and then it comes right out. This is your SATA connection. When people say SATA hard drives, basically they're referring to a hard drive that will connect into this type of connector. Alright, that's the end of step 2. Step 3, just insert the drive. It slides right into that SATA connector. And if you turn it over, you can see the little screw holes, little openings here, are exactly aligned with the threaded holes on the drive. Couldn't be any simpler than that. CRU includes the screws. They also include the screwdriver. I have a bunch of these because we custom build for clients sometimes, and I love these screwdrivers. I got them all over the house. I got like 15 in my junk drawer. Every guy in the warehouse has one, so anytime you need a screwdriver, we have tons. Hit me up if you want a screwdriver, I'll hook you up too. So basically all you want to do is just permanently attach the drive to this tray, like so. 4 screws, easy peasy. Okay, step 4. It's very simple. Just slide it in. Just make sure you match it up so the right protect button goes into the circle, and the little micro or mini USB lines up there. And inside the enclosure you will see 2 little rails here. It is a tight fit, so it takes a little jiggling, but you do want this drive to be secure inside the enclosure, so try not to get too pissed off, because once it's in there pretty solid. Okay, that's it. Step 5 is put the last two little screws in, and you got yourself one very secure encrypted hard drive. Done. It's beautiful. It's got some girth to it now that I put that enclosure in there. Very solid, well built machine. So just real quick, out of the box, you'll get the encryption keys. Without the keys, there is no data. Cannot get the data off of the drive. If you lose all of these keys, do not lose them. Key management people, I get calls all the time. I lost my keys, I lost my keys. Well, there's 3 of them here. Put one in the safe. Label it, mark it. They even give you the labels so you can label your drives. They give you these little keychain thingies so you can clearly label the drives. I don't even know how they can make it any easier for you. They give you everything you need for proper key management. So follow through, manage your keys, and you'll always have at least one. And guess what? As long as you have one, I can duplicate it and make you more of this exact key. But you lose them all, you're done. Again, I'm Shane with IVB. I really appreciate you watching. I want to thank Brandon at CRU for the enclosure, and he gave it to me to give to clients, but I claimed it as my own. So if you want one, just give me a call. I'd be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Appreciate it.